Welcome back to learning Java. Now, this episode we're going to be going through loops. Now, there are a few loops. I'm only going to go through two of them today. They're literally the same. They only have one tiny bit of a difference. The ones that I'm going to be going through this video is going to be the while and the doWhile loop. So I guess we're going to get started. So, firstly, we're going to be going over the while loop. This is how you do it. So, while, and then brackets, and then we open and close it. Now, this works kind of as a if statement as well. So, as in it works the same way. So, if this is true, do this. While this is true, do this. The difference is, while this is true, keep doing this. With the if statement is, if this is true, do this once. But with the loop, that's why it's called a loop, it will loop through it. While this is true, keep doing this code over and over again. So, one way, so I will give you an example, a very good example here. So, say we have an integer, let's say we can name it num, and we'll set this to 0. Now, let's say I have condition while num is smaller or equal to 5. 5. Okay. So while num is smaller or equal to 5, we will keep doing this. So while this is true, keep doing this code inside here. So, but it's gonna keep doing it. This code is gonna keep getting executed because num is 0. This will never stop. So, firstly, we will print out num, so we can see what happens. If we leave it like this, we'll see this is what's gonna happen. This will keep and keep printing, and it will not stop. So we need a way to stop this, to exit out the loop. So what we're gonna do, so I've shown you this before a couple of videos back. Num plus plus, this plus plus. What this will do is, so the way this is going to work is while 0, so while number, so while 0 is less or equal to 5, do this. So it's going to print out 0, and it's going to increment num by 1. So now the second time it does this, it'll be while num, which is 1, smaller or equal to 5, that is true. It's going to do this, and it's going to increment it again to 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And then when it reaches 6, it will not do this anymore. So, boom. You can see the first time it was equal to 0. So we print out 0, and then it will increment it by 1. So the second time we do this, it'll be if 1 is less or equal to 5, do it. Then it go 2, 3, 4, and 5. When this gets incremented to 5, this is 5 is less or equal to 5, so it will do this. And then it will increment it to 6, and then we'll go back up to here. Now while number, so this is 6 now. 6 is not smaller or equal to 5, so it will not do this, and it will exit out the loop. And I can show you that I exit out of the loop. Loop exit loop, or loop stop. So you can see it prints out them, and then it exits, and then you can see that the loop has stopped because it printed this out. So we're no longer in the loop because this statement is false and has to be true. Now, so that's one while loop. It's very, very basic. The next one is a very similar one. It's the doWhile loop. And the difference between this one, so this is the way I like to do it. So I guess we can do the same thing. Oh, smaller or equal to 5. And then let's just print this out. So we're going to print out num. And obviously we need to increment num like this. That's pop. So yeah, you can see it's the same thing. So what this means is while this condition is true, I can show you better if I do this. While this condition is true, do this. Yeah. While this is true, while this condition is true, do what's inside of here. The only difference between a while loop and a do-while loop is the do-while loop will execute the code block before checking if this is true. That's the only difference. And that's literally the only difference. I don't think anyone uses do-while loops, because using this is just so much easier. And yeah, using this, the while loop, that's my go-to. That's what I would recommend if you want to use a loop. Now there are other for loops, but we're going to get that into the next video. But for this video, the while loop is, I would use a while instead of do-while, because I find the do-while useful. Now it is useful in other circumstances, but for the basics, if you're learning loops, just go with the while loop for now. Okay. Thank you for watching. That's gonna be it for now.